Whiteboard and Process Library. The whiteboard is like a blank sheet of paper on which you can think through and plan your processes, as easy as using sticky notes. You create standard areas, save them in the process library, and use them again. To the individual steps. Whiteboards. Start in the tab Whiteboard and click on New Whiteboard. Assign a name and then open it. Click on the arrow next to the whiteboard name in the top center to rename or delete a whiteboard. Alternatively, you can click directly on the whiteboard name and then change it. If you have opened a whiteboard and want to return to the overview, click on the arrow in the top left-hand corner. Click on Create a Whiteboard if you want to create another whiteboard. Click on a whiteboard to open it. Standard areas. To create a standard area automatically, drag processes or milestones from the list of trades directly into the whiteboard. Click in the name line and give the standard area a name. Click in the top line and hold down the mouse button to move the area. Change the size by dragging the black square at the bottom right. Alternatively, you can first create a standard area by opening the standard library, clicking on New Standard Area at the bottom, and entering a name for it. It will automatically appear in the top left-hand corner of the whiteboard. In the list of standard areas, you can change the name or delete the area completely. Create process chains in the whiteboard. Open the trade list and drag a process or milestone into the standard area. Repeat this as often as you like to create a workflow. Move the processes and milestones freely, or change the duration using drag and drop. If you switch from workshop to plan, daylines become visible to make it easier to set the duration. Alternatively, you can open the menu Planning to set the start time and duration. Select several processes and copy them to any area. To link processes with each other and so create a dependency, move your mouse over the edge of a process. Click on the plus symbol on the right-hand side of the first process, and then on the plus symbol on the left-hand side of the second process to create a Finish to Start link with an offset of 0 days. This is now indicated by an arrow. Transfer process chains to the process plan. Switch to the process plan. Open the menu Standard Library. Here you will find all the standard areas created in the open whiteboard. Make sure you have selected a whiteboard in advance. To do this, switch to the tab Whiteboard and select one. Now simply drag and drop a standard area to the desired position in the process plan. Repeat this as often as you like to create your schedule. lcmd can support you with the automatic tacting of your project with standard areas. You can find more information about tacting in the Help Center article, Tact Planning. Saving process chains from process plan in the library. You can also add existing process chains in the process plan to your library so that they then appear in the whiteboard. Select the desired processes using the selection button in the sidebar. Click on Add to Library and enter a name. A new standard area with the selected processes is automatically created. Open the list of standard areas to view and reuse the newly added area. This is now automatically displayed on the whiteboard and can be checked, adapted, and reused. Did you like our tutorial? Then please like and share it. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can find more tutorials in our Help Center. Do you have any questions? Then contact us at support@lcmd.io.